Good afternoon, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Today is a presentation day for class 9 students. Actually, practical class is beneficial for the students. Practical knowledge is the permanent knowledge for the learners. This is the time for the young students, young learners to prepare themselves a perfect learning management. That's why today we have arranged a class for the 9 level students to presentations, conversation practice, also group study. Actually, we have selected our topics name about your college. Actually, Haji Yunus Ali College is famous. It has name, fame, and it is a very prestigious college in Ashulia Shabad area. So I will request to my students, Rifat and his teams to continue their presentation.
Hello everyone, this is Miss Afwan Islam Rifat. I am a student of Haji Yunus Ali College in class 9. Firstly, I would like to thank our most favorite teacher, MD Hasanujjaman Choudhury sir, for giving me a chance to present about my school. Me and my group members worked together about it. Now I am introduce my team members. My first team member name is Robiul Islam. My second team member name is Said Ahmed Jihad. My third team member name is MD Rohan Khan. My fourth team member name is MD Alif Sheikh. Now I invite my first team members MD Robiul Islam to give his speech.
Hello everyone, this is Robiul Islam. At firstly, my college name is Haji Yunus Ali International School and College, and it is located Karaltola Bazar near Jamgora. Thank you.
Thanks Robiul Islam for giving me the floor. This is Miss Saida Ahmed Jihad, a student of class 9. Now I will describe what Haji Yunus Ali International School and College provides. Haji Yunus Ali International School and College is providing huge types of values such as clean environment, big playground, smart and active teachers, discipline, creative learning environment, and so on. Now, thank you so much everybody. Now I will invite MD Rohan Khan to tell about the relationship between teacher and student in Haji Yunus Ali International School and College. Thank you everyone.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Rohan Khan. I am pleased to be a part of this college. Our teachers and student relationship is beautiful. I mean friendly and respectfully. Thank you all friends. Now Mr. Alif Sheikh come to tell about Haji Yunus Ali College.
Thank you, Rohan. Hello, everybody. This is Alif Sheikh, a student of class 9 at Haji Yunus Ali School and College. Our college provides many extracurricular activities such as singing class, dancing class, debate club, drama club, Spondan Blood Foundation, etc. Thank you, everyone. Now I am invite my group leader to finish the presentation nicely.
Overall, Haji Yunus Ali College is more than just a school. It is a place where dreams are nurtured and futures are built. So visit us this school as soon as possible. This school located in Kathaltola Bazar near Jamgora. Thank you everybody. Allah Hafiz.